AI is perfect for those working in the legal profession. It helps you find, summarize, and create information in minutes. I'm Scott Meyer, co-founder of Chipp, and one of the ways that our users use Chipp is in the legal industry. That's because it's not only a powerful way to get information, but we also can add security and compliance into Chipp so you can share information safely in your own cloud. Now, we have a specific bundle of apps that you might want to use to power or supercharge your legal efforts. So let's take a look at what's possible. And then if you're interested, you can get started with the Chipp Legal Bundle. The Chipp Legal Bundle is a perfect way to not only start using AI, but to create and manage the output. So it sounds just like you and creates the information you want in the way that you want. So let's take a look at those apps. And if you have any questions, you can head over to chipp.ai/legal.
The first tool in the Legal Bundle is a general legal copilot. The Legal Copilot helps you analyze and draft legal documents. One of the greatest things about this Chipp template is that while you have the steps and instructions as well as the role here, you are able to edit all of it. The other thing that's really cool is the example space here. So this might be anything from cases you've had, any examples of your way of writing or structuring things, a company template, or anything else you might want the AI to know. You are also free to add context, so include your company details, your name, anything you want the AI to use in all of its outputs. Let's try it out and see how it works. Here's one use case for this Legal Copilot. We have a case example here. This is a real example, and we have a prompt. As you can see, it's analyzing the case example PDF, and we have this prompt where we're asking it to review the file, give me a detailed summary of it, and identify the following points. And there we go. We have a very short summary as we requested with all the details that we asked. The next tool in the Legal Bundle is the Discovery Response Drafter. And unlike the other Legal Copilot, this one is made for a very specific use case. We have the role, we have the instructions, we have 2 options for starting out, as well as more defined output examples. The beauty of these tools is that while you can replace all of the sections with your own data, you also get guidance on how to use them. Let's imagine that you create this for your team. You can insert the company name, you can put all the details to match your specific use case. And then when you share the link with your team members, they will get step-by-step instructions on how to use this tool. So not everyone who's using the tools will have to know how to build them, but you will have the ability to edit anything and everything. Another thing about these tools is that you can add knowledge sources. So this might be documents from your company, anything that you want the AI to know all the time. Last but not least, we have the business admin bot. Now, this one is a more general business admin helper, and it has 4 different use cases. It can help you analyze meeting notes, convert images or videos to text, repurpose documents, including but not limited to PDFs, docs, and CSVs, and it can also help you optimize an email or a message. This is a great support for team members who might have to send sensitive emails to clients or have some difficult situation that they need to deal with. Instead of figuring it out by themselves, they can just come here and have an existing email that they might want to edit or start from scratch. Let's try this out with repurposing a document. The way that this tool has been trained is to do all of these things in the right order so that the AI will optimally use everything that you give it. So what do I want to do? I just said a general summary, so I would like to have action points. Now you can see that it's analyzed the document and it's created a comprehensive summary of what I asked. Now it's asking me to choose which way I would like to get this document. So I would like to share the summary as it is, and I don't really want a specific format. I will have a general summary of all the key prompting techniques to apply and action points focus as I requested. This was a quick summary of the tools in the Legal AI Bundle. We hope you enjoyed them, and we're always here for more questions or any editing needs that you might have.